Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bidayah Screencast. We are beginning chapter 6, inshallah. Chapter 6 is the complementary lessons that are specific only to the Quranic script. So, inshallah, thus far the student has all the skills. The student has learned through chapters 1 through 5 all necessary skills for reading any Arabic word. And again, all future lessons will be specific to the Quran. Alhamdulillah, we have reached level 6 out of 8. We are almost done with Bidayah book, inshallah. And as we move to the first lesson of this chapter, lesson 15, this lesson discusses Hamzat Al-Qata. And the objective of this lesson is for the student to recognize all forms of the Hamza. We've seen something similar when we discussed Sukun. However, this lesson focuses on the Hamza as with Sukun and the different harakat and possible vowels on top of the Hamza. The first box, this explanation box, shows Hamza Fatha, Hamza Kasra, Hamza Dhamma, so the student can read this A, I, U, E. And then in the second box is the same exact sound, just the Hamza is drawn on top of the Ya. And the last box, same exact sounds, the Hamza is drawn on top of the Waw and on the small Nabra. So we have again A, I, U, E, A, I, U, E, A, I, U, E, E. And this is to show the student this X, as we've used it before, to show the student that it's merely just a seat and we should ignore it and not make the sound of a Waw, for example, just the sound of a Hamza, inshallah. This lesson introduces different concepts in each line. The first line deals only with the Hamza Fatha Kasra Dhamma in the beginning and the middle of the word. Line 2 introduces Hamza with Tanween. Line 3 has Hamza with Sukun, which we've seen before. Line 4 has Hamza with Sukun on the Alif, Waw, and in the middle of the word. Line 5 has Hamza with Fatha only on top of the Alif and also on the line, as seen in Ra'ahu. So we've included all possible cases of the Hamza, so the student encounters no surprises. For example, this is not a common way to write this word in Arabic, but the Quran puts the Hamza on the line. So we introduce the student to this way for more ease in learning, inshallah. Something to take note of is that the sound of the Hamza should be muraqqaq, should be a soft sound. So we want the students to say yu'dhanu, not yu, or for example litaqra'ahu, not litaqra'ahu. We want the sound to be soft so we can read the Quran properly, inshallah. Please refer to Bidayah website as well as the instructor's manual and the workbook for tens of words of extra practice, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.